Hello everyone, welcome to this series on synopsis and plot summaries of famous works of literature. And in this video, we are going to discuss Geoffrey Chaucer's work Troilus and Criseyde. Introduction. Troilus and Criseyde by Geoffrey Chaucer is considered one of his most influential works, standing alongside the Canterbury Tales in its literary significance. Written in rime royale, a stanza form consisting of 7 lines in iambic pentameter, Chaucer's poem reflects his mastery of the English language and his ability to touch both the common people and the nobility at court. Composed in the Middle English during the 1380s, the narrative is set against the backdrop of the Trojan War and offers a poignant exploration of love, fate, and betrayal. Historical and literary context. The story of Troilus and Criseyde had been told in various forms before Chaucer, notably in works of French and Italian authors. However, Chaucer's version is distinct for its less cynical and misogynistic tone. This work gained popularity due to its appeal to a wide audience from commoners to nobles, who were drawn to its themes of courtly love and its insightful social commentary. Chaucer's use of rime royale influenced later poets, including William Shakespeare and Edmund Spenser, highlighting his impact on English literature. Characters. The main characters in Troilus and Criseyde are vividly drawn and complex. Troilus, a Trojan prince, is the son of King Priam and the brother of Hector. Known for his prowess in battle, he is initially inexperienced in matters of love. Criseyde, the daughter of Trojan priest Calchas, is a beautiful and intelligent widow. Pandarus, Criseyde's uncle, plays the role of the intermediary, facilitating the love affair between Troilus and Criseyde. Calchas, who betrays Troy and defects to the Greeks, sets in motion the events that lead to the lovers' separation. Plot summary. The narrative of Troilus and Criseyde unfolds during the Trojan War, beginning with Trojan priest Calchas predicting the fall of Troy and fleeing to join the Greeks. He leaves behind his daughter Criseyde, who becomes a target of scorn due to her father's betrayal. Troilus, a Trojan warrior, mocks love, which angers Cupid or Eros, who punishes him by making him fall in love with Criseyde. Pandarus, Criseyde's uncle, orchestrates meetings between the two, using various schemes to bring them together. Troilus's first confession of love to Criseyde is met with hesitation, but Pandarus's efforts eventually lead to a night of bliss for the lovers. However, their happiness is short-lived, as Calchas arranges for the Greeks to exchange the Trojan prisoner Antenor for Criseyde. Despite objections from Hector and Troilus, Criseyde is sent to the Greek camp. Troilus suggests eloping, but Criseyde declines, promising instead to return in 10 days. Once in the Greek camp, Criseyde realizes that returning to Troy is unlikely. She meets Diomed, who courts her, and gradually she becomes attached to him. Troilus, unaware of Criseyde's change of heart, writes letters to her, receiving increasingly dismissive responses. On the 10th day, Troilus and Pandarus wait in vain for her return. Troilus curses fortune and, heartbroken, returns to the battlefield, where he is eventually killed by Achilles. The poem ends with the narrator breaking the story to reflect on the events, offering an apology for the depiction of women and a commentary on the superiority of Christianity over paganism. Themes. Troilus and Criseyde explores several themes central to human experience: love and loss. The poem delves into the transformative power of love and its vulnerability to external forces such as war and societal expectations. Troilus's passionate love for Criseyde and his subsequent heartbreak highlight the fragility of human emotions. Betrayal. Betrayal is a recurring theme, from Calchas's defection to Criseyde's perceived infidelity. The narrative examines the impact of betrayal on personal relationships and the consequences of divided loyalties. Fate and free will. The characters struggle with the tension between fate and free will. Troilus' love for Criseyde, driven by Cupid's intervention, and his inability to alter his destiny reflect the complexities of human agency within a predetermined framework. Social commentary. Chaucer offers insights into medieval social norms, particularly concerning love, loyalty, and gender roles. Criseyde's character, while portrayed more sympathetically than in previous versions, still reflects the societal expectations and limitations imposed on women. Narrative techniques and style. Chaucer's use of rhyme royale adds a lyrical quality to the narrative, enhancing its emotional depth. His skillful use of language and imagery brings the characters and their experiences to life, making the poem accessible to readers of varying social standings. The narrator's frequent interjections and reflections add a layer of commentary, providing context and guiding the reader's interpretation of the story. Conclusion. Troilus and Criseyde stands as a testament to Chaucer's literary genius, blending romance, tragedy, and social critique in a masterful narrative. Its exploration of love and loss, fate and free will, and the complexities of human relationships continues to resonate with readers. By setting a courtly love story against the backdrop of the Trojan War, Chaucer not only entertains but also offers a profound commentary on the human condition. The poem's influence on subsequent literature, particularly through its impact on Shakespeare, underscores its enduring legacy in the canon of English literature. So this was the synopsis and summary of Geoffrey Chaucer's work, Troilus and Criseyde. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other work. Until then, goodbye and thank you.